Gusto ko yung book club natin hanggang nasa home for the aged na or matatanda na. Ito lang yung share ko kasi I get to learn from experience. Kasi experience pa rin talaga is the best teacher. Kasi nandun yung emotion and then yung association. Yung learning talagang nakatakot na sa puso't isipan mo kasi naranasan mo ng personal. Pangalawa, napaka-importante nito, yung ganitong setup. Kasi na-expose ka sa ibang way of thinking. Kung ikaw lang nagsi-self-study ka lang, it really involves just you and your capacity and the way you interpret the knowledge. Pero kung may ganito, may collaborative effort, nakikita mo yung iba-ibang perspective, hindi lang parang i-discuss natin yung knowledge, kundi, oy, pinag-aral natin yan, dapat i-apply mo. Hindi naman natin ito ginagawa para mag-downfall or bumalik dun sa mga hindi magandang ways. Diba? Sobrang dami na ng positive impact na nakita natin sa isa't isa slowly. And I'm really excited to see how far we can push, how far we can go.